Hello and welcome sa ating Lesson 4.1, Addition of Integers. Ano nga po ang ating mga objectives para sa lesson na ito? In this lesson, you are expected to add integers using different approaches. First, using the number line. Second, using the sign tiles. And third, following the rules. Bago tayo mag-add ng mga integers, ay alamin muna natin ang mga parts ng addition sentence. In here, I have an example, negative 5 plus 4 equals negative 1. So, ano ang tawag sa mga numbers na pinag-a-add? Ang tawag po dyan ay addend. So, remember, addends are the numbers to be added. Next, the sign for addition is plus sign. And the answer in addition is what we call the sum. Let us add the integers using the number line. Paano nga ba mag-add ng integers gamit ang number line? Una, you need to know your starting point. Kailangan mong malaman kung saan ka mag-i-start sa number line. Pangalawa, your movement. Kapag positive ang integer, your movement is going to the right, papunta sa kanan. Kapag naman negative ang integer, your movement will be going to the left, papunta sa kaliwa. So let's have an example. For the first example, we have 1 plus 4. Basically, you know already how to add this one kasi ito po yung lagi nating ginagawa. Nag-a-add ng mga positive integers. So 1 plus 4, alam nyo na yung sagot, that is 5. Pero paano ba kapag gamit ang number line? So let's have the number line. First, know your starting point. So saan tayo mag-i-start sa number line from this example? So remember, the first integer or the first addend is your starting point in the number line. So here, ang unang integer natin o yung first addend natin ay 1. So punta tayo sa 1 sa number line. Next, plus 4, we need to know the sign of the second addend. Alamin natin yung sign ng pangalawang addend. Ano ba ang sign ng 4 dito? That is positive. Now, dahil positive siya, saan ang direction ng movement natin? Is it going to the right or going to the left? Okay, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, kapag positive, ang movement natin ay papunta sa kanan. So, mag-i-start tayo sa positive 1, pupunta tayo sa kanan ng 4 na beses. Kasi sabi po dito, positive 4. So, from positive 1, movement natin papunta sa kanan ng 4 na beses. So, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. So, saang integer tayo nag-stop? We stop at positive 5. Therefore, the answer is positive 5. Next, 3 plus negative 6. So, let's have the number line here. 3 plus negative 6, our starting point is 3 or positive 3. Plus negative 6, the second addend is negative, so direction of our movement is going to the left, papunta sa kaliwa, ng ilang beses? Ng 6 na beses. So, mag-i-start tayo sa positive 3, punta tayo sa kaliwa ng 6 na beses or 6 na units. So, from positive 3, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Saan tayo nag-stop na integer? So, we stop at negative 3. Therefore, the answer here is negative 3. Next, negative 5 plus 7. So, in number line, our starting point is negative 5. Plus positive 7. So, 7 is positive. So, the direction of our movement will be going to the right. So, papunta tayo sa kanan ng ilang beses? Ng 7 beses. Kasi positive 7. So, from negative 5, punta tayo sa kanan ng 7 beses. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, the answer is positive 2. Last, we have negative 2 plus negative 3. So, in number line, our starting point is negative 2. So, from negative 2, pupunta tayo sa kaliwa ng 3 beses. Kasi sabi plus negative 3. Since negative, the direction of our movement is going to the left or papunta sa kaliwa. 3 beses. Mag-start tayo sa negative 2, punta sa kaliwa ng 3 beses. So, 1, 2, 3. So, minto tayo sa negative 5. Therefore, our answer is negative 5. Next, let us add the integers using the sign tiles. So, ano nga ba yung sign tiles? Basically, these are the tiles na may representation ng sign ng positive at saka negative. So, for positive integers, let us use the yellow tile. And for the negative integer, let us use the red tile. Kapag ang yellow tile at ang red tile ay na-pair natin, that is what we call the zero pair. That will be equal to 0. So, paano po ba mag-add ng integers gamit ang sign tile? So, let's have an example. 2 plus negative 6. Doon muna tayo sa unang addend. That is 2. The sign of 2 is positive. So, anong tile ang gagamitin natin? Is it color yellow or color red? Okay, that is color yellow. Kasi yung yellow po is for positive integer. So, ilang yellow tile ang gagamitin natin for positive 2? So, gagamit tayo ng dalawang yellow tiles. Plus, negative 6. So, our second addend is negative. So, anong kulay ng tile ang gagamitin? So, that is red. Ilang red? So, 6. Kasi negative 6. So, let's put 6 red tile below the yellow tile. So, maglagay tayo ng 6 na ulang tiles. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now, in the set of sign tiles na meron tayo from positive 2 plus negative 6, meron ba tayo dito magiging zero pair? May maipapares ba tayong isang dilaw na tile at isang red na tile? Okay, meron po. So, anong gagawin natin dyan? Pag pinagpares, that will be equal to 0. So, makakancel. Matatanggal na sila. Ngayon, ano ang mga natira? So, ang natira ay 4 na red tiles. So, again, anong sign ng red tile? That is negative. So, ilang red tile ang natira? 4. Therefore, our answer is negative 4. Next, negative 3 plus negative 4. So, doon muna tayo sa first addend natin, which is negative 3. Negative, so anong kulay ng tile ang gagamitin? So, that is red. So, we will use 3 red tiles for negative 3. Plus negative 4. So, anong tile ang gagamitin natin para sa second addend? Okay, red ulit kasi negative. 4 na negative tiles or 4 na red tiles. So, ngayon, tignan natin yung set of tiles na meron tayo from negative 3 plus negative 4. Meron ba tayo diyang magiging zero pair? Isang yellow at isang red na magiging zero? Wala. Kasi lahat yan ay red. O dahil wala, that is already the answer. So, let's count all the red tiles na meron tayo. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, ang sagot natin ay 7 red tile or negative 7. Next, 1 plus 4. Also, first, addend muna tayo. 1. 1 is positive. Therefore, ang gagamitin nating tile is yellow. So, isang yellow tile. Plus 4. 4 again is positive. So, 4 na yellow tile. So, dito, wala din tayong zero pair. Therefore, our answer is 5 yellow tile or positive 5. Next, negative 3 plus 5. So, first addend muna tayo. That is negative. So, gagamit tayo ng red tiles. Ilang red tiles? 3. So, 1, 2, 3. That is negative 3. Plus, positive 5. So, dahil positive, yellow ang gagamitin natin. 5 yellow tiles. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, take a look at our set of tiles. Meron ba tayong magiging zero pair dito? Opo, meron po. So, meron tayong red tile at saka yellow tile. Ipag-prepare natin yan para maging 0. So, magka-cancel 1, 2, and 3. Okay, ano ang natira? 2 yellow tiles. Therefore, our answer is positive 2. Let us now proceed to the last one, addition of integers following the rules. So there are two rules in addition of integers that you need to remember. Dalawa lang. What are those rules? First, same sign, add, and keep the common sign. Same sign, pag pareho ng sign, ang gagawin, i-add, tapos copy the common sign. Positive plus positive equals positive. Negative plus negative, the sign of our answer will be negative. Second rule, different signs. Pag magkaiba ng signs, anong gagawin? We will subtract and then follow the sign of the bigger number. For example, the bigger number is positive, added to negative, so the sign of our answer will be positive kasi we need to follow the sign of the bigger number. Kapag naman ang negative, ang bigger number, plus positive, the sign of our answer will be negative. So let us add integers following this rule. So again, the first rule, kapag same sign, you need to add the numbers and then keep the common sign. Pag naman magkaiba ng sign, you need to subtract the numbers and then follow the sign of the bigger number. For example, 5 plus 3. The sign of 5 is positive. 3 is also positive. So, magkapareho ba yun ng signs o magkaiba? Okay, magkapareho ng signs. So, anong gagawin natin? We need to add the numbers. So, 5 plus 3 will give us 8. And keep the common sign. So, ano yung sign ng 5 at saka 3? Parehong positive. Therefore, our answer is also positive. So, our answer here is positive 8. Next, we have negative 2 plus negative 3. So, here, the sign of our first addend is negative. Yung pangalawa ay negative 10. So, saan po tayong rule magfo-fall? Sa una ba o sa pangalawa? Same sign ba yan o different signs? Okay, pareho ng sign, parehong negative. Therefore, ang gagawin natin ay i-add ang mga numbers. So, 2 plus 3 will give us 5. And keep the common sign. So, ano yung sign ng sagot natin? Negative. Kasi pareho silang negative. Therefore, our answer is negative 5. Next, we have negative 7 plus 4 equals blank. The first addend is negative. The second is positive. Pareho ba yun ng sign o magkaiba? Okay, magkaiba. Yung isa negative, yung isa positive. Dahil different signs sila, o unlike signs, magkaiba ng sign, we will subtract the numbers. 7 minus 4. That will give us 3. And then, follow the sign of the bigger number. So, ano magiging sign ng sagot natin? Is it negative or positive? Okay, so our answer here will be negative 3. Ang susundin nating sign ay yung sign ng 7. Kasi ang 7 is bigger than 4. Okay? Next, 10 plus negative 3 equals blank. So here, our first addend is positive. Sa pangalawa naman, that is negative. Okay. Pareho ba yun ng sign o magkaiba? Magkaiba ng sign. Yung una positive, yung pangalawa naman ay negative. Dahil magkaiba sila ng signs, we will subtract. So, 10 minus 3. So, that will give us 7. Now, let us follow the sign of the bigger number for our answer. Sundin daw natin yung sign ng mas malaking number. So, ano ba yung sign dito ng mas malaking number? Okay, positive. Therefore, our answer is positive 7. Now, let us try to answer the following. Negative 2 plus 5 equals blank. So, let us remember the rules again. Pag same sign, you need to add the numbers and then copy the common sign. Kapag naman different signs, yung isa positive, yung isa negative, you need to subtract the numbers and then follow the sign of the bigger number. Okay, for the first example, negative 2 plus 5. Okay, so ito ba ay magkaiba ng signs o pareho ng signs? Magkaiba. O dahil magkaiba, anong gagawin? Tayo ay magsusubtract. 5 minus 2 is 3. So ano ang sign ng ating sagot? Is it negative or positive? Okay, our answer is positive 3. Kokopyahin ang sign ng bigger number. Next, what is the answer? In the second example, 4 plus negative 8. The answer here is negative 4. Nag-subtract tayo kasi magkaiba sila ng signs. Next is 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4, that is positive. 7 or 7. Same sign sila, parehong positive, so inad natin yung numbers. Next, we have negative 1 plus negative 6. So, dito, parehong negative. So, anong gagawin kapag pareho ng sign? We will add 1 plus 6. That will give us 7. So, anong sign ng sagot natin? Is it negative or positive? Alright, our answer is negative. Kasi po, pareho silang negative. So, ang sagot ay negative 7. For the last one, negative 9 plus 1. So, anong gagawin natin dito? Mag-a-add ba tayo o magsusubtract? Magsusubtract kasi magkaiba ng sign. Yung una ay negative, yung pangalawa ay positive. So, 9 minus 1 will give us 8. So, anong sign ng 8? Is it negative or positive? Okay, that is negative 8. So, sundin yung sign ng bigger number. So, that's it for today's lesson. I hope marami kayong natutunan. Thank you for listening and see you again on our next lesson.